What's up, guys? If you clicked on this video, chances are you're trying to quit fapping once and for all. I get it. You've probably seen a million videos or heard advice that just doesn't work. So, today, I'm cutting through all the BS and giving you the real steps to stop fapping for good. Let's dive in. First things first, if you don't know why you want to quit, you won't be able to stick with it. It's not just about quitting a habit, it's about reclaiming your time, energy, and mental focus. Think about what fapping is costing you. It might be your productivity, your confidence, or even your relationships. Once you have a strong why, it becomes easier to stay on track. Write down your reasons and keep them somewhere visible. Next up, triggers. Everyone has them. Whether it's boredom, stress, or even scrolling through social media, knowing what triggers your urges is key. Take some time to reflect. What are your biggest triggers? Once you identify them, you can start creating a plan to avoid or manage them. Maybe it's turning off your phone at night, or finding healthier ways to deal with stress. Here's where most people mess up. They try to quit cold turkey without replacing the habit. Big mistake. You need something to do when the urge hits. His could be hitting the gym, going for a walk, learning a new skill, or even something as simple as doing push-ups when you feel an urge. The key is to shift your focus. Find something you enjoy that boosts your confidence and makes you feel better about yourself. The more you invest in yourself, the easier it becomes to stay disciplined. Let's be real, most of the temptation starts online. If you're serious about quitting, you need to control your digital environment. Use blocking software like Cold Turkey, BlockSite, or apps that limit your access to certain websites or social media during the times when you're most vulnerable. Trust me, it helps. You won't have to rely on willpower alone if the temptation isn't even accessible. Quitting doesn't have to be a solo mission. Find a community or an accountability partner who's on the same journey. This could be a close friend or even an online forum. The point is to have someone to check in with and hold you accountable when things get tough. Sharing your progress, challenges, and victories will keep you motivated. Plus, it helps to know you're not doing this alone. Listen, breaking any habit takes time. You might slip up, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Whenever you slip, don't beat yourself up. Instead, figure out why it happened and how you can avoid that situation next time. The important thing is to stay consistent. Every day you choose not to fap is a day closer to freedom. So there you have it, the no BS guide to quitting fapping forever. It's not easy, but if you stick to these steps, I promise you'll see real results. Remember, this is about reclaiming your energy, your time, and your life. Take control. You've got this. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense content just like this. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.